Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, welcome to your Arabic class. Okay, now I am starting lesson 10. Ad-darsul ashiru. Ad-darsul ashiru. Lesson 10. Question words. Kalimatul istifhami. Here is a question. What is the Arabic term for question words? Answer. The Arabic term for question words is Kalimatul istifhami. এখানে কোশ্চেন ওয়ার্ডস অর্থাৎ কালিমাতুল ইস্তিফহাম তিনটি দিয়েছে, মান, আইনা, কাইফা. মান মিন্স হু, আইনা means where, kaifa means how. Now translation. Man anta. Man anta. Man means who, anta means you. Man anta means who are you. Here is a question. Which is the question word in this sentence? Answer. The question word in this sentence is man. Man. Next. Ana waladun. Ana waladun. Ana means I. Waladun means a boy. Ana waladun means I am a boy. Next. Man huwa. Man huwa. Man means who. Huwa means he. Man huwa means who is he. Man huwa means who is he. Next. Huwa rajulun. Huwa rajulun. Huwa means he. Rajulun means a man. Huwa rajulun means he is a man. Huwa rajulun means he is a man. Next. Man ala saqfi. Man ala saqfi. Man means who. Ala means on. As-saqfu means the roof. Man ala saqfi means who is on the roof. Man ala saqfi means who is on the roof. Next. Ala saqfi mahmudun. Ala saqfi mahmudun. Ala means on. As-saqfu means the roof. Mahmudun means Mahmud is a name. Ala saqfi mahmudun means Mahmud is on the roof. Ala saqfi mahmudun. Mahmud is on the roof.